When I started my design career, one question was always on my mind. What level am I? Am I junior? How I will know that I become a middle or a senior? We look at the job description as a designer's portfolios and take courses, but often we don't understand the most important thing. What should I improve next? And if you don't know where you are today, it's almost impossible to build a path forward. Recently, I watched the movie Moneyball. In this movie, a baseball manager stops looking for a perfect player. Instead, he starts looking for people with unique strengths, and it made me think. Maybe the problem is not that we are not good enough. Maybe the problem is that we are judge ourselves by other people's strengths. We look at the designer who are better in UI, UX, researches or motion design and focus on what we are missing instead of understand our own strengths. That's why I created the skill assessment matrix during this Makeathon. Not to give designers a score, but to help them answer this question. Where am I today? What is my biggest strengths? What will help me grow the most? Because careers are not built around perfection. They are built around understanding your strengths. Before I show you the product, I want to briefly explain how it was built. This story started about 5 years ago. Over that time, I studied career framework, skill assessment system, and design growth. Some of those resources I included directly inside the project. Now, I'd like to show you the process of building this product with Figma. So, first of all, I started with research, user flow, and screen designing in Figma. I also wanted to test the capabilities of the Figma AI agent, and I was really pleasantly surprised by how well it generates new interfaces. For example, the registration screens and pop-ups were generated almost instantly and required very little editing from my side. After that, I moved the screens into Figma Make. Instead of starting from scratch, I could use my own design and design system as a foundation. This helped me move faster while keeping control over the design quality. Then I could focus on connecting pages, improving flows, and refining the experience. The skill assessment matrix has complex logic. User complete an assessment, they set career goals, the system generates a report and creates personalized growth roadmap. And what impressed me the most was how well Figma Make understood that context. I could explain relationship between screens, product behavior, user flows, and it handled all logic surprisingly well. The most inspiring part for me is that an idea I once considered too big to build alone suddenly became possible. In the past, a product like this would require design, front-end, back-end, database, months of development, and today with Figma, Figma Make, AI Agent and MCP, product like this can be built just in a few days. And I believe this opens new opportunity for independent designers and product creators. If this product helps even a few designers gain more clarity about their career growth, I will consider it a success. I also share the project resources in community, so feel free to explore them and see how everything was built. And if you enjoy this project and found it valuable, I would truly appreciate your support. Thank you for watching.